Oh my God. Look at this. Look at the snow. Can you believe this is April 2nd? Just look at the snow coming down. And it's cold. It's only 25 degrees right now. Look at that. This is insane. It shouldn't be snowing this hard on April 2nd. And it sure shouldn't be this cold. It should be warm and rainy, and daffodils should be poking their heads up through the ground, and crocus should be starting to bloom. That's what should be happening on April 2nd. Not a snowstorm like this. This is ridiculous. Who do I call?